Not by the baby. Not by the baby. Hi. Hi. We're going to get you out of the way so you don't get run over by dogs. Yes.
Moose.
Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? You and that tongue. Are you getting him, dude? Are you getting him? Dude is gonna be one tired puppy.
You can already tell Moose is wearing out.
So is Deuce. Be nap time in 5 minutes. Just watch the feet.
What's that kind of stance there? What's going on, Moose?
Are you getting him? Be nice. Deuce, be nice. Yeah. I got their feet.